Hi, good evening all. It's COVID everywhere. The shortage of vaccination is becoming more intense because of which people who are willing to go for second round or third dose are also not being able to get it. So this is what the status is. At the same time, COVID is there hampering anything and everything that's happening in stock markets. I'll tell you what it is. Welcome to Stock Market Institute Market Wrap-Up. This is Kishore here. The markets were negative today. Earlier it was more or less flat, but as the day proceeded, the market went down. Sensex went down by 465.01 points and Nifty went down by 137.65 points. The main thing which dragged the market for pharma, auto as well as metal stocks. PSU banks were the only ones which turned green. Apart from this, the big news for the day is unemployment rate in India has increased to 7.97% from 6.5%, which was in March. COVID second wave has impacted 73.5 lakh jobs just in the month of April. So many people have become unemployed, and the same may continue if the second wave continues, and the same would impact even the GDP. Goldman Sachs lowers India's growth forecast from 11.1% earlier to 11.1% earlier from 11.7%, which was earlier thought. The second wave would cost $38.4 billion is what experts say if the same continues till June. So COVID is hampering anything and everything that's happening around us, including the GDP of the country. Verizon sells media group of AOL as well as Yahoo at $5 billion to Venetian Resort and Casino, which is Las Vegas company. The same has bought the company it acquired AOL as well as Yahoo was bought by almost 9 billion, but now they are selling it in loss of almost 4 billion. So with this deal, this particular company will hold 10% stake in the new entity, that is AOL as well as Yahoo. But I don't know why they are selling it in loss. I think it's a distress selling. So this company who is buying it may make good value out of it, provided this product succeed in the market. At the same time, IPL 2021 has been suspended after a lot of people who are the players as well as the coaches and other people associated with the matches haven't tested positive. So there will be a lot of isolation and other things that they will go through, based upon which after more days of observation and other things they may take a call. But for now it's been suspended. Apart from this, RBI imposes 3 crore penalty on ICICI Bank over violation of few of the rules, that is prudential norms of classification, valuation, operations of investment products by bank. So there were some issues with regard to the investment and the classification of the same, because of which they have been penalized for 3 crores. Apart from this, the top gainer for the day is SBI Life Insurance, which went up by 2.53% and the same closed at 982.90 rupees. Top loser for the day is Tata Consumer Products, which went down by 2.53% and the same closed at 645.25 rupees. Gold right now has gone down by 254 rupees for every 10 grams and the same is trading at 47,065. Silver right now trading at around 69,723 and the same is down by 148 rupees for every 1 kilo. USD has gone up by 26 paise and the same is trading at 75 rupee 1 paise. Euro has gone down by 2 paise and the same is trading at 89 rupee 90 paise. Crude is gone up today by 78 rupees and the same is trading at 44,861 rupee. Petrol and diesel also has gone up in Indian markets after almost 18 days. Government, after finishing with the elections and the results, everything, now they have started increasing it. Petrol has gone up by 24 paise for every 1 liter and diesel has gone up by 27 paise, and I see that it will further increase because government has to make money and they have been spending a lot of money towards vaccination, and most of them are approved saying that they will give free vaccination, because of which they would take money in this way is what I feel. Apart from this, the technical charts do not show any strength in the market. The market may continue to go down, so it's opportunity for you to pick up value stocks. That is, I would recommend you to look at FMCG as well as IT stocks. Yes, banks also are good, but right now I would expect you to wait till further more lockdown and other things happen. Then is the time you can pick up banks. With this, we come to the end of today's market wrap up. Do like and subscribe the channel and share the videos amongst your friends so that more people get to learn and more people can earn. Thank you and be safe. Have a great day.